This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink a shape to a website in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To hyperlink a shape to a website in Word, it's very easy to do. If you want to make the shape a clickable link that'll take you to a web page, first thing you want to do is select the shape. If your shape has text on it like mine does, you want to make sure that you don't select the text. I'm going to place my mouse cursor over the border of this shape until it becomes crosshairs. I'm going to left click on the shape to where I have the shape selected. I have the bounding box around the shape. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab, and you want to click on Insert. Then on the ribbon, you want to go about halfway down to where it says Link and click on Link. Then you'll go straight down to where it says Insert Link and click on Insert Link. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to make sure you're on the top tab up here, Existing File or Web Page. Then down here in the address area, you want to paste in the URL of the web page that you want to link this to. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to link mine to google.com. I'm going to paste mine in there. There's my URL. Then at the bottom of the dialog box, I'm going to click on OK. Now if I place my mouse cursor over that shape, you can see it says it's hyperlinked to this web page right here. If you want to test it, hold down the Control key and left click on it. As you can see, it went to my browser and opened up google.com. That's what I had it hyperlinked to. That is how to hyperlink a shape to a website in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.